Hey, book bosses. So I am going to show you how to find the premiere badge for any videos that you may want to upload to your business page. This is a fun new feature that Facebook recently rolled out. You may or may not have it yet. I know that one of the YouTube videos I seen, it was not in the same location as where I found it on mine. So I'm going to show you what it's like on mine. And if it's not the same way, you may just have to Google it or search in YouTube for it or reach out to me and I will get you a link to another tutorial type thing. But anyways, let's go to town and let's find out how to get that premiere badge and schedule a real actual video like you would for a live video to get the same like kind of notifications. And you can actually even, people can set a reminder because it'll pop up with something. So I have one set to premiere tomorrow. And so it is popping up right there for you. I just posted that. And so let's go and we will load a new video and have another premiere set sometime for next week. Just real quick, you can only do them, I think, like no more than 7 days out. So maybe you want to do all your videos, maybe you want to premiere them on every Wednesday or something, you know, something like that. This is a great way to do it. So, for me, I have to click upload a video and then it's bringing me right here to this. And so I'm going to do, let's see, this one right here, just because it's right there. I have no idea what it's about really, but it's, I can always delete it. So you're going to want to add a title. And so I'm going to call this, Learning Fun with You, Bam. And then just dive into learning, if I can type, Learning Fun with Usborne Books More. And then I'm actually, let's see, right there. It's all right. All right, we'll change that. And then I'm just going to, right now, I'm just going to put Usborne for a tag, learning books. Those will be my two tags. This is just a little trial test run for you to show you guys. And then I need to, it's actually still processing right there. So I'm going to click next. And you see right here, publish now. You are able to set it as a premiere. You can also, of course, schedule it, backdate it, do it as a draft. But I want to actually make it as a premiere. So I'm going to actually premiere this today. And I'm going to do 4 p.m. just because I want to test it. And then I'm going to need to, and there's just a whole bunch of other things that you can do. If you haven't turned and looked at those yet, go ahead and maybe take a few minutes and browse through those. And then it's still loading. I'm going to let it load all the way. Of course, there's always these little helps that you can check and click into right there where it kind of will pop up with something that gives you a little bit more idea on what it is. That's what those are for. All right, we're at 88%. Give it just another minute. $97, $98, $99, and 99.9. We'll go ahead and hit publish as it goes to 100. And this will, right there, your video post was successfully saved. And then if we come over here, we can see that it's preparing it right here. And it will be, you should be able to get a reminder. All right, so now it has popped up. It's all processed, and your people are able to go, people that follow your page. Right here, we'll see that there's right here it says plans to premiere a video, and we'll get this, it'll be whatever your graphic is, or you can do a special picture, which I didn't do, but then you're able to click get reminder, and it's almost like an event, so it's going to say you're interested right there. So see, get reminder, and then you will theoretically get a reminder close to when this is going to pop up. Go ahead and try that, see if it works on your Facebook business page, and good luck. Thank you.